Hi everyone, welcome back to Liz Sews and my December plans video. I have a lot of bras to make in December, but most of them are for other people, so not a whole lot of selfish sewing going on this month. But I still thought you'd be interested in seeing some of the fabrics that I'm going to be working with and what you can look forward to the month in December from my channel. So I have 4 different kits for bra builders. They have released on Black Friday, so they should still be available now unless they have sold out. But I thought you would be interested in seeing the 4 different sort of like main material fabrics that are going into the bra. So the first one is a poinsettia kit, and it has this really nice sort of red lace with poinsettia flowers on it. The next bra that I'll be making for bra builders is using this bamboo knit with these little gnome Santa Claus creatures on there. I think they're really cute. They make me smile. And I've never worked with bamboo before, so I am a little bit apprehensive about it, but I've done a lot of reading and I think I know what I need to do to make it work. Then we have this a little bit more elegant sort of Christmas holiday themed bamboo knit with goblets on there, lots of different reds and snowflakes and stuff like that. Again, bamboo knit, which I am not super familiar with working with, so I'm gonna have to try really hard to make something clean and pretty with it. And then the last fabric, which is super fun, is this foiled stretch velvet in this really lovely silver colorway. So all 4 of these kits are available at brabuilders.com, and I will link them down in the description box below. In terms of sort of selfish sewing, I had picked out 2 bras. So I picked up this Mango bra tool from TaylorMade Shop a couple months ago, or maybe last month. It's all sort of running together, and I'm really excited to use it. I know it's not very Christmas appropriate, but when I was doing my choices for the December TaylorMade Collaboratory, I went ahead and picked up some Mango micro mesh to go with it so I could make a bra and panties. So I want to go ahead and do that in December. So I'm going to do this like nice bright sunshiny yellow kit that should, bring a little bit of warmth and happiness to these cold Christmassy days. And then my main project that I wanted to tackle this month is recreating the Dita Von Teese Madame X wireless bra, and I will pop up a picture over here. She sells this bra, or she had sold this bra, in an emerald colorway. I no longer think that's available. I think it's only available in black right now, so that's what I'm showing you a picture of. There are pictures online of the emerald colorway, but they have bodies in the lingerie, and I don't know how YouTube would feel about me putting up, semi-clothed women on my channel. So I'm just going to show you this one for now so you get the idea of what the bra should look like. So for this, I picked up this emerald lace from Beware several months ago. I think it was this summer. It was back when I purchased my mustard lace. I got this one at the same time. It's a really bright sort of like emerald green, and then it has a really cool sort of like gold edging detail along all of the flowers and the scalloped edge of the lace. So I picked it up because, green lace, of course I'm going to buy green lace. And I didn't know quite what I wanted to do with it. And I think this is the perfect lace to recreate that Madame X bra with. So my idea is that I'm going to use this. I haven't decided what's going to go on the lower cup yet. The original bra looks like it might be lingerie satin. To my knowledge, I don't know if anybody's selling a green lingerie satin right now. And so then I was thinking maybe micro duoplex or maybe some stretch satin that I can dye into this green color might be an option as well. So I'm going to have to play around with that. But this is like the main workhorse project that I want to tackle this month because I think it's nice and festive because it's green. So obviously I pull much more for Christmassy greens than I do Christmassy reds. So it's right up my alley. And I have never done a bra like this. So most of my recreation bras that I've done in the past are from other home sewers. So it wasn't that hard to sort of like get there because they were starting from the same place that I am. This is the first time I'm going to be recreating a bra that was commercially manufactured. So I'm going to have to think a little bit more in depth about how to quite do that. I knew I wanted to do a Dita Von Teese bra for Christmas, and I put up 2 options. I think it was an Instagram poll of whether I was going to do the Madame X wireless or the wired version of her Madame X bra, and it was super close. Like, it was literally 50-50 for days. And then finally, the wireless bra sort of pulled ahead in the poll. And I think the end count had something like 540 votes for the wireless bra. So that's the one that I'm going to go ahead and make. I'm tentatively excited about this. I'm excited to sort of like stretch myself a little bit more and realize what aspects can I easily reproduce at home and what things do I think, you know, kind of need to go away. And hopefully I'm going to get something that looks similar enough to the inspiration, because I absolutely love the style of bra. It fits well within my sort of vintage aesthetic that I try to dress myself in, and it's something that I could see getting a lot of use of as the time goes on. So I hope you guys are excited about my December plans. Let me know down in the comments below which ones you're most excited to see, and I will see everyone next time. Take care.